Well, hi everybody, I'm Ellen from Target Training, and I'm so excited because today we have our registered dietitian Jess, who's gonna talk to us about some quick and easy ways to fuel before your dance or your training days.
Most of the dancers that I talk to really struggle to fuel in the morning, and it's a time that most people don't realize is super important, especially on those long training days. So if you're anything like me, I am not a morning person. I don't have a ton of time. So I need something quick that's also healthy and nutritious. Not quite like a Pop-Tart, not your best choice. But there are some other options out there that we're gonna talk about. So one today is banana pancakes. They're so easy to make. My 6-year-old can make them. So these are gonna have both protein and carbohydrate that you need to fuel you through the whole day. So those are really two important things. So let's get started.
Start with an even number of bananas to eggs. This recipe is really easy. So if you want to make more pancakes, just add another egg and another banana. If you want to make less, only use 1 or 2. It's very simple. So just start by cracking your eggs and scrambling them up. The next step is mashing your bananas right into the eggs. You can add cinnamon or even a little splash of vanilla at this point. All right, now we're ready to heat up our skillet. Use some sort of oil. You can use butter. We used butter here, but you could certainly use like a canola spray. I'd avoid olive oil because it doesn't usually do well at high heats. Once your pan is hot, then go ahead and pour your batter right into the pan. When you see that it's getting cooked around the edges and there's a little bit of bubbles coming up in the middle, that's when it's time to flip it over. And then go ahead and plate it up and serve. Serve these with some fruit or a glass of milk, or you could even do a little bit of yogurt on the side, and it would make a great breakfast. And quick. Enjoy!